Which is the fabulous.
A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel.
Category 1. Category 2. Category 3. Category 5. Next, we talk about the amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen. Guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in. Location of the hotel is first class if guests love to enjoy the surroundings. Many categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay.